To all my fathers and my mother, brothers and sisters, uncles and my aunties out there that have been following up, thank you for watching all the videos. I really appreciate you all, and thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. You are welcome to the fourth episode of Lifetime Investment in Agriculture. I hope you're really enjoying the first third video that I made about the lifetime investment in agriculture. So this will be the fourth one, and thanks for following up. I know by the time you watch all the video finish, you will actually get the one to invest on. So let's go into it. To those who are just joining us for the first time, this is Addota Farm. We'll make review on agriculture. We'll talk about agricultural business, and we talk about the business you're going to. We talk different things about agriculture, livestock, crops, and other things like that that will actually help you to grow well on your farmland. So in case you don't know what to do, or you passing through a little difficulties on your farm, or you don't even know what is going on, so and you just wanted to find solution to whatever things that is happening on your farm, you can kindly switch to Addota Farm video and watch our videos. I believe by the time you watch up to 3 of our videos, you will get something, an idea. It might not be what you really need, but you will actually have an idea to solve whatever things that is happening on your farm. So like I told you, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's quickly talk about today's topic, and that will be based on orange trees, orange fruit, citrusis sinensis, right? That's the botanical name. Let's talk business out of it. So can I invest on orange? That's just a question. Of course, yes, you can. So it's a very good business too. So you can go into it. You find a very big, we have different varieties of orange, very many. So we have the sweet orange, we have the tangerine, and others like that. But the one that sells the most in Nigeria. So I can't, you see, like that's why I used to talk about business strategy. If you can check some of my videos down there, I talk about this too. It's all about our business strategies. So the way you strategize your business, that is the way you will get it. So you think about what is missing and you strategize how you can fix that thing that is mixing in your own area. So unlike Nigeria, we have orange like ape, we have the tangerine, we have the sweet orange like that sell most in Nigeria. So if by the time you go into all this business, you are going to sell. So I know, let me tell you, most of the oranges you are seeing in the market are harvested from the farms of all our big fathers. Our fathers at 80, our fathers at 70, 60. That is what they believe on. That let me do this. In the nearest future, I'll be enjoying it and I'll still leave it for my children. I told you this lifetime investment in agriculture that I brought to you is something that you can do, that you will enjoy from it, and your children as well will benefit from it too. So that is what this business is all about. So kindly subscribe to enjoy it too, and actually find something to do out of it. This is the fourth one, and I'm talking about orange right here. So the details of orange that I have to bring to you that will make you to like it, to go into this farming, is orange takes 3 to 4 years before it starts bringing fruit, before it start producing. So by the time you have them much, what you just need to do, if you don't have anybody to buy it, you try to go to the market and check where they sell orange the most. Maybe something like Lagos, you're going to sell well, in Ibadan and some other parts that they take orange very well. Orange sells, orange sells there. So you go there, you take your vehicle, or you hire a vehicle if you don't have. You pack all your orange, you harvest them. Orange come once in a year. So, and on the tree, you have so many of it sowing on it. So, you harvest your orange and you take them to the market and you sell it. The cocoa business that I talk about, lifetime investment in cocoa, which is the episode one, those who are planting that cocoa actually have orange inside the cocoa too. So, that is to tell you that they mix both together and they are harvesting and making money from both sides. So orange is a good business to go into it, and it will take orange 50 years before it wither off, before it die. So this is to tell you that before you could even before the orange could even die, you would have make money, and your children will still come and meet it. If let me say, like, I don't even know, maybe the orange could still survive more than 50 years. So you get, it's one of the business you can go into it too and make a whole lot of money from it. Are you asking if they have disease? They have the most delicate diseases. Yes, because the disease, something like caterpillar and other things like that, that will just enter into it. Once they enter into it, they'll be eating it and everything will be getting rotty. So that is how the only way to control it too is to spray with pesticide. You spray, but before you spray, that is when they are bringing out their flowers. You spray so that nothing will get to cut it. So by the time they bring out the flowers and they are getting oranges, before you harvest them, you still spray. So you keep on spraying your oranges time to time, so that they will be in a very good condition for you. So if you don't spray your orange, they will be dying. And if even if they don't die, the fruits will get rotten whenever time you harvest them. So what you'll be getting from a tree might not be as many as they are on it. So everything would have got rotten, got spoiled, things like that. So that is how you need to be spraying your oranges with pesticide. You just need to go to the market, go to where they sells all this chemical of a thing, herbicide and things like that. Ask them for orange pesticide. They will give you the best one, and so you spray. You try to get your pumping machine, so you spray it on the leaf, spray it like that on top of it. So even if you are down, there's mouths. You have different mouths for all those pumping machine. So the fluid, if you press it, the fluid will go on long way. So you can do that too. So you spray it. After spraying it, you know what, you harvest your orange. You know what, we use orange for different things too. So doctors do advise people, go and take orange, go and do this, go and do that. Fruits. So we use oranges for them too. All these things make orange very essential in our life. Even in Nigeria at large, we take lots of oranges. They said we eat rather. So lots of oranges in Nigeria. So you can plant orange. You will make money from it, and your children will actually pray you leave something for them too. So it's part of the lifetime investment you can invest on and still give the rest to your children, so they will inherit it from you whenever time you are gone, and they will make a huge amount of money from it if they take care of it the way you take care of it too. So controlling the pest and other things like that is by weeding, by spraying, like I tell you. So you spray, you make everything clean, so that the tree will be growing and be doing well. So they will be growing and they will be doing well as well. So this is all about orange that you need to hear. So orange is one of the lifetime investments too. So let me see you investing on orange. Is that one of the 6 episode? And no one would catch your breath. So anyone your spirit decide to plant on, you should go and do it. So you can plant orange anywhere, they will survive anywhere. It's only on sandy sand that I don't advise. In all of the episode that I'm telling you, all of the fruits that I'm telling you to go and plant is only on sandy sand. You shouldn't plant them because they won't do well. Even if they manage to grow, once they get big, or maybe when they have loads. When I say load, I mean when they have fruit on them and breeze blew them a little bit, they will fall because the sand doesn't hold each other to the extent of holding that crop. So that is how you have to plant them on loamy soil or on clay soil that are just like loamy soil. So the one that will be a bit strong, so that your fruit will get the chance to use their feet to grip the soil very well. So this is all about orange tree. So plant orange too. It's one of the best thing to go business to go into. So thank you for watching all the episode. I really appreciate. I know uh much talk doesn't matter, but at least you've gotten one or two out of these videos that you've been watching. So thanks for subscribing and thanks for watching.